Okay guys, this is part 3, sorry, of Elise's creations. I'm going to start epoxying these tumblers. Sorry, I got interrupted with my kids. And like I said, I'm not sure how to pause a video and start it again. So, I'm new at this stuff. Anyway, okay. This is what I do. Put a little bit of epoxy on there. All the bubbles are out because I use my heat gun to get all the bubbles out. And I just smooth it on. Make sure it's all over. Okay, and I just smooth it on. That's what I do. Make sure it's everywhere. Make sure I get the top good. This doesn't seem like it's on very well. But, oh well, what can you do? Okay, so the lady that wants these, she wants one and a matte finish too. But this is going to be how you do a matte finish. You have to do the epoxy on it first, and then I use this product, which I'll do another tutorial on that later, and show you how I do a matte finish. It will actually be my first matte finish that I watched another tutorial on and was able to learn from it, and I bought the product, and I'm going to try it, and I'll show you guys how it comes out. You'll be with me. So anyway, when you epoxy, you want to just make sure you get everything. Hopefully it comes out smooth and you don't have to epoxy it again. But sometimes you have to epoxy it a few times. So we will see what happens. Sometimes it bees like that sometimes, and you got to epoxy a couple times. This is on here really crooked. I didn't do a good job of putting the cup on there good. It's on there a little crooked. But hopefully it doesn't affect anything. Okay, this one is getting its second epoxy. Then it should be done. There's a couple of cat eyes on it. And that happens sometimes to the best of us. So I'm just going to rub it all in. I kind of do a little bit of that. Make sure. This one is not the best turner. I experimented with some turners, and I bought 4. I like all my turners except for this one. It's ridiculously dumb the way they made it. This is too skinny, this little pole, and I had to put a football on it because it's the only thing that really fits it. It came with some red round circle stuff like that, which is stupid. It didn't even it just wasn't right for this tumbler, and you have to put little sticky stuff on it to make that little red thing stick. It was just a hot mess. So my husband got me this football. Well, actually it was my daughter's, and he put the football on it, and it's okay with the big ones, you know. Oops. But it's just very annoying because it turns wide, and it's just not the best turner. So I've experimented with some turners. I'm probably going to get a different one, but for now this one has to do. See, I had a little cat eye right there. I hope it goes away. I sanded it down, so I hope it goes away because this girl's picking this up tomorrow. I just got to make sure that cat's eye is gone. Sometimes you got to epoxy more than one time. Sometimes 3 times. But I love this cup. Here's the other Raider one. I have another one after that. Hopefully I have enough epoxy. I sure don't want to mix anymore. I should have enough. I should. Put a little bit more in here. So, it was really fun making these cups, the Raider ones, but I'm not going to lie, they were hard. The water slides were hard for me to get on there sometimes. Had to do it a couple times, messed up a couple times. Had to redo them, and then I finally got them right. Thank God, because they were really kind of getting on my nerves. But I really like the saying on it, even though I'm not a Raider fan. I like the little saying. And I like the cup. I think it was a cute idea. So hopefully my customer loves it. This is what they wanted. And hopefully they love it, and we're good to go. I love making these cups. I've been doing it for not very long. I would say maybe 6 months. Not very long. I just really enjoy it. It's very therapeutic for me. And I like seeing the final outcomes of the cups. That to me is fun in its own self. Hopefully I have enough epoxy for this one. Because okay, you're going to have to bear with me for a second because I'm going to have to put the phone down. Bear with me 1 second, guys. I'm just trying to get all of the epoxy I can out of here. Okay. Okay. Alright. And excuse my sink. It's filthy. I need to clean it. It's just been really busy here doing epoxies. I haven't had the time to take care of my own stuff. It's a shame. Okay, so this one I don't know if I have enough stuff on it. But hopefully, I know it's going to get another coat. So hopefully it's just enough for today. Because I know I'm going to do another coat on it. That I do know. So, this one's acting kind of weird on this one. I have a foam thing on it. It shouldn't come off, but it's just very flimsy. Very flimsy. And this one looks like I'm going to probably have to do it again. Because it doesn't look like I put enough epoxy on it. Which is okay. It can dry and I'll have to just do another coat. No big deal. It happens. It might have enough. It feels like it on some parts. But anyway, that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm done. I'll show you the final results when we're all done. Have a good day. Bye-bye.